What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a new video, guys. Today's video is going to be a quick little how-to on how to replace your brake light bulbs on your BMW F30. This should be relatively similar for all the F3X generations. So F30, F31, F32, it should be very similar for all of them. So recently I've been having a problem with my bulbs in my taillight on this side. I think they're going out for the brake light because I keep getting this error. Half the time it works, half the time it doesn't work. So trying to figure out that. Hopefully it's just the bulb. So we're going to replace that today, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So guys, the first thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead take off this little plastic piece. So right here, you're gonna need a flathead and just go ahead and twist it. It's kind of more of like a tab piece more than anything. So really you just have to pull out on it. Okay, so now that we got this off, we're gonna go ahead grab some 10 mils for these. So go ahead, grab a basic 10 mil over here. I'm gonna be using my impact driver, but you can use your hand tools. All right guys, so now that we got the nuts off, we're gonna go ahead pull out on this. And you kind of just like have to wiggle it out. And then there's a sensor right here. And you just press down and then pull up. And then you get the actual taillight out. Okay, so now that we actually have the taillight out, what we're gonna do is we're gonna flip it over and then we're gonna take out this part right here. So we're gonna take out the tabs. So go ahead, grab a little flathead, push down on all 4 of these tabs right over here. Cool, so now we got this out. So I went ahead and decided to go with some LED ones. So here's the number. I got these at AutoZone for like 20 bucks, 7506, and yeah, it was about 20 bucks. So let's go ahead and install these. All right guys, so if you look over here, once we get it off, we're gonna be replacing the brake light. So the bottom one is the brake lights, the top one is the turn signal. So to take it out, you're gonna go ahead, push down on it, and twist it to the left, and then it just pops out just like that. Now that we got the bottom one out, we're gonna go ahead put in one of these so that you guys can kind of see it. You take these little metal dots right here, kind of put it in like sideways, just like this, and then you twist it to the right, and then it gets on. So that's perfect. So now we're gonna go ahead and put this back onto the tail light, and pretty much we're just gonna go ahead set it back right in, and then make sure it clicks all the way in on all sides. Then we come back over to the car. You make sure you plug this part in right now. And so when you're installing it, there's like this little hole right here. And if you look on the top of this, there's a little ball, and pretty much you just stick that part in. Then you go ahead, work your way back over here. And you kind of got to finesse it, but once you got it on both the ball side right here and over here, then you go ahead, put it back on the nuts. So then when you're ready to put on the plastic piece, there's these little 2 things right over here, these like prongs, and you just want to stick those down first into the bumper and then push down up top and take your little screw and just go ahead, stick it there, and you should be good to go. That's not going to go anywhere. All right guys, so now for the moment of the truth, I'm going to go ahead, turn on the car and see how it looks. Alright guys, so we should be good to go now. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side for mine, but that should be pretty self-explanatory. The other side is the exact same. Pretty easy. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Hopefully it helped you guys. If it helped you, let me know down below. I just figured I'd upgrade to the LEDs anyway, since I'm gonna have to replace it, because I've been getting this error, so hopefully it's fixed and it's not like the module that holds the actual light. So hopefully that fixes it. If it keeps happening, maybe I actually have to replace the module or the taillight itself. So we will see about that. If this video helped you in any way, make sure to give it a like, comment, and subscribe down below, guys. It would really help me out. Make sure to go check me out on Instagram. I will leave it down below. And without further ado, remember, stay safe, stay happy, and stay in that project car. I will catch you guys later.